Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send USDT from Kucoin to gateio. First of all, you need to log into your Kucoin account. Then you need to go to the assets and go to the funding account where you have your USDT balance. Now you need to find USDT. If you can't find it, you can use the search bar, type USDT inside the search and click withdraw right side of the USDT. And now we need to select the network. I suggest you to use BIP20 network, Binance Smart Chain network, because it has got the lowest fees and it's the fastest way to transfer your USDT. So now we need to go to the gateio to search for our USDT BIP20 wallet address. Let's go to the assets, go to the spot account, and let's find for USDT. And on the right side, we need to click deposit. Now we need to select on-chain deposit. All right, and we need to select the network. So we want to use BIP20 network. And let's copy this wallet address, go back to Kucoin and paste this wallet address inside this gap. Now you need to enter the amount of USDT you're going to send, for example, 100. And as you can see, fees fixed 0.8 USDT. It doesn't matter you will send 1,000 or 10,000, the fee will be the same, guys. So you need to click withdraw, and in maximum 3 minutes, you can check your balance on gate.io. To check your balance, you need to go to the assets on the top right, go to the spot, and on this page, you will find your USDT balance. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.